Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video series, we're going to see how to launch a WordPress website with Amazon EC2. In this step-by-step video series, we will make a website up and running with WordPress, which is installed on an Amazon EC2 virtual machine. And we will go through how to configure and launch an EC2 instance, how to get your WordPress username and password, and how to log on to your WordPress admin portal. Everything we will do will be using the free tier eligible instances. So let us just quickly log on to the Amazon portal and take it from there. I am logged on to the console and I will go to my EC2 service in the Amazon console. You can find EC2 under compute section as well. When you will check on the services like this, here is EC2. I'll go back. This is the new welcome to the new EC2 console. If you want to go back, I don't think so. If you can just do this and you will go to the previous old EC2 console that you used to. So you can cancel it. You click on launch an instance here. We're doing this to create and configure the virtual machine, and we'll be using the existing Amazon AMI from the AWS marketplace that has WordPress already installed. And you already know that AWS Marketplace provides access to thousands of pre-configured images from the common pieces of the software. Let me type in WordPress here, hit enter. It will show me WordPress powered by Bitnami. I don't see anything here. Let me do it again. Okay, what is wrong with this spelling? I see this, click on select. Now we'll be presented for the pricing. I'm using the free tier version. Click on continue. Now select the free tier version here. Free tier eligible. Highlight it. Click on next. Number of instance, I want 1. And the purchasing option, it is my default VPC. Default VPC. I'm gonna do it in US East 1A. Use subnet setting enable. Placement group no. IAM role no. Shutdown behavior stop. I'm gonna go with the default here. General purpose 10 GB. Money if you want. Click on this. The view and launch. Click on proceed without a key pair. And then click on launch instance. My instance is launching. It says initializing. And this is the public IP of my instance. I'm click on copy here. Finally, my system is up and running, and instance state is running. Status checks have been done. I am going to copy the public IP address and I'm going to go to my window. Oh, it came up. Nice. So when I copied over the public IP address in the address bar, I see the hello world. So it is running on my Linux on the WordPress instance on my AWS. Click on sample page. So you cannot make changes from here. You have to, log on to the admin portal here, and then you will be able to make changes. So now we have to make changes to the website. Now we will go back to our Amazon EC2 console and would do some changes over there. To the console, click on Actions tab. In the drop-down menu, click on Instance Setting and choose Get System Log. you see the logs, and in the system log window, scroll to the bottom to find the passwords that's surrounded by hash marks. So to the bottom and begin the SSH keys. It would have set the password. Here it is. It says setting Bitman application password to this, and the application username is the user. Wonderful. Now that we have the password, and now we'll go to the Hello World page of the blog, and we'll do a slash admin there, or you can click on the logon just like I did. So you would see this one, you can say user, and now you will copy paste password, which is this. You will enter the password. Click on login. Incorrect, I think I have to type it. It is CCJ1N, CCJ1, 3AGS7, and then it is TV. All right, we are logged on to the WordPress console. You see it has 4 updates available, all in one WP integration. These are the plugins. So this is now normal WordPress. You can change the themes from here. You can download plugins, you can make changes, you can add post from here. Hello world, you can add a new post, you can change the existing post from here. Now that we have our WordPress site up and running, in the next video we will have to make it easy for the people to get to it. So in the next video we will see how to register a domain name. It is up to you if you want to register it from Amazon. If you have an existing domain name, you can do it. So in the next video we will see how to associate a domain name with our website using the Amazon Route 53. I hope you liked this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any feedback, please mention that in the comment section. Have a good day. Bye bye.